Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with the June 2nd, 2021 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. Dubuque County's COVID-19 outlook continues to be favorable. Our new cases and 14-day positivity rate all remain low. Hospitalization rates are low and steady, and no additional deaths have been reported since April 24th. And the CDC reports a continual decline in cases around the U.S. in general. Looking back to 1 year ago today when I was doing a live daily update, Dubuque County had 350 total cases, compared to our current total of 13,465 positive individuals since the pandemic began. Back a year ago, we also had a total of 20 deaths, compared to the total of 209 to date. So this is a solemn reminder of all the pain, suffering, and unfortunately death that has occurred over the past 14 or so months, not to mention all the lifestyle and general community-wide changes that occurred at a very fast pace. Now, with vaccinations continuing to increase, with Dubuque County having almost 50% of our population fully vaccinated, things are looking up. We also have many tools and increased healthcare knowledge on how to prevent and treat COVID-19 infections. Generally, everyone knows to stay home when you're sick and get tested, wear a mask when in crowded conditions, and we also know how long we should stay away or quarantine from others if we've been exposed to a positive COVID-19 case. This pandemic has provided a public health tutorial on how to prevent communicable diseases. And although this is all great news, there's definitely more people to vaccinate, since only 58% of those 12 years of age and older who are eligible are now vaccinated in Dubuque County. Speaking of 12-year-old and older teenagers, while we move into summer activities like camps and summer sports, playgrounds, swimming lessons, and other summer youth programs, think about providing a layer of protection through vaccination, which also pretty much lifts the mask requirement for those participating in these kinds of summer activities. Opportunities are available at local retail pharmacies during their normal business hours, and you don't need an appointment. Also, you can contact your healthcare provider or clinic who will provide vaccinations. A special event this Thursday at the Veterans Freedom Center on Kerper Boulevard from 1:30 to 3:30 is also open to all. So please continue to encourage your family, friends, and coworkers to get vaccinated and protect not only themselves, but also others in our community. Finally, call the Sleeves Up phone number at 563-690-MAKE or 563-690-6253 to find out the current vaccination options and if you need help making an appointment or knowing where to go. All vaccinations are free. Since our mask laws have been lifted in association with the new CDC guidelines for fully vaccinated individuals, there hasn't been much guidance changes for our daily lives. As children 12 years and up continue to get vaccinated, they too can elect not to wear masks in certain situations. So we all should always be thinking about our own personal risk in a variety of situations and the risk of others we encounter, particularly those we live with and work or associate with. Whether they have a chronic health condition that would cause COVID to be more severe or other factors can and should influence their and your behavior. So as schools are letting out for summer and more activities are happening, I encourage you to get outdoors, get some physical activity of any kind. And for those of you fully vaccinated, get together with friends and family or that person who's been alone or shut in during this past winter and spring. Looks like we're finally doing it, slowing the spread and not only flattening the curve, but not having another curve. Stay healthy, keep others healthy, and keep up the great work, all of us together.